Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Application. In this class I will tell you first and last type selector. In CSS and next class I will tell you first and last selector. So in this class I will tell you first and last type selector. So now I will not take you long time and please like that video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. So in this class I will tell you first and last selector in CSS. So now let's start the video. So I will be open my dash and next class I will tell you first and last selector. Erase it and erase it. Then save, then refresh. And here we can write first and last type selector. And here I will first of all here we can write form action should be that. Here we can write span and span should be here. I will be write like FA and sorry here first of all here we can go here and here I will be erase it and here I will be write like div class will be field enter and here we can write span class fa/key save refresh. It is coming like that. Here you can see it and save and refresh. It is coming like that. And now here we can write like input type should be text. Here we can write placeholders should be required. Sorry, here we can write don't forget save. Here we can not write like that. Here we can write here enter your password. Do no and here we can and now till I'm done. So here I will be go and here I will write div class should they be like span and here I will be write do not forget and here I will be write href should be sign up. Save, refresh, it is coming like that. So I will be go here. Here I will be write font family should be poppins, comma sans serif, save, refresh, it is coming like that. So here I will be write like margin should be 0, padding 0 pixels, text align should be center, box sizing should be border box. Save, refresh, it is coming like that. And here I will be give BR tag and copy it, paste. Save, refresh, it is coming like that, but paste, save, refresh, it is coming like that. It is good, but I will be erase one BR tag, save, then refresh. It is like good, and here I will be write like span, and here we can write color should be dark blue, and save and refresh. So it is coming like that. Here you can see it, and font family should be poppins and serif, save. And I go down, sign up, and here I will be got and here I will be write sign up, and here I will write font fam sirat should be comma sans serif, save, refresh. It is coming like that and sign up. So in this class I will be telling you easily first and last type selectors in CSS. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you in next class for today. Goodbye.